This question perplexes NASA currently. The interstellar object 3I, Atlas, discovered earlier this year, exhibits behavior unseen in comets or rocks. It is slowing down. It is remaining in place. After its enigmatic flyby near Mars, astronomers anticipated 3I, ATLAS would orbit the Sun and vanish into the cosmic abyss. But that didn't occur. Instead of speeding away, its trajectory began to change, slowly, consistently, its velocity decreasing in ways that sunlight or gas jets cannot explain. The alteration was neither random nor erratic. It was deliberate. Controlled. Numbers reveal an even stranger narrative. Simulations indicated that should the object slow by less than 1 km per second, it would become gravitationally bound to the Sun. It wouldn't be merely a visitor, but a permanent fixture within our solar system. The likelihood of that occurring naturally? Almost non-existent. Yet somehow, it has. As 3I, ATLAS approached perihelion, the closest point to the Sun, on October 29, major observatories fell silent. The object vanished behind the solar glare, disappearing completely for hours. No reflections, no radio signals, no signs at all. Then, from within the Sun's corona, instruments detected an unusual distortion, an unexpected ripple in magnetic flux. It wasn't a solar flare or coronal ejection. It was something different. A pulse lasting 4 minutes before fading away. Upon re-emergence, 3I, Atlas's trajectory had altered. Its speed had decreased sufficiently to ensnare it in a closed orbit. For the first recorded time, an object from another star had been captured by our solar system, destined to circle our Sun indefinitely. At NASA, disbelief gave way to intense debate. Could this phenomenon truly occur without external influence? Physics says no hyperbolic objects possess too much momentum for natural deceleration. Something must have slowed it down. If true, then 3I, Atlas is not merely a rock and ice. It could signify something capable of control. Inside observatories, murmurs grew. What if it's not a comet? What if it's a probe, an ancient artifact designed to locate and settle around stars like ours? Then came the signals. The Deep Space Network picked up faint, rhythmic bursts near 3I, Atlas's new orbital path. These narrowband transmissions endured for 19 seconds, recurring every 137 seconds. Many dismissed it as mere interference, yet the number 137 cannot be overlooked. It's the inverse of the fine structure constant, a fundamental aspect of physics governing matter and light interaction. Some physicists consider it the universe's signature. Coincidental? Perhaps. But there could be more to it. As observations continued, another revelation emerged. 3I, Atlas's orbit was stable, elliptical, extending from close to Mercury out toward Jupiter, a perfect solar orbit. It was not an erratic drift but rather a consistent, intentional path, as if it had chosen its route. Its rotation also altered. Prior to the Mars encounter, it spun every 11 hours. Now, after its close passage to the Sun, that spin has decelerated to 13 hours. This change was not gradual but precise, featuring rhythmic fluctuations. As if responding to an unseen signal. As if it were intently listening. Officially, NASA describes it as a natural capture event. However, internal communications reveal a contrasting narrative, concerns that its motion indicates active propulsion. There are no discernible jets or visible plumes, yet the observed energy shifts suggest a level of control typically associated with maneuvering. Thus, the question looms larger than ever. If it can alter its path, slow down, and remain, then who or what is behind this? Some theorists speculate it's a probe, an ancient device launched ages ago, programmed to settle in solar systems that show signs of life. It might not be active in any recognizable way. Perhaps it lies dormant, observing, or waiting. Others propose it's part of an autonomous network, seeds distributed throughout the galaxy, designed to anchor themselves around stars. Then came one final revelation that transformed everything. A faint, secondary reflection emerged near 3I Atlas's orbit. It appeared small, metallic, and highly reflective. Too stable to be mere debris, and too deliberate to be by chance, it moved in sync with the main object, maintaining a precise distance of 1,000 kilometers. Like a companion. Like a shadow. Its nature remains uncertain, a fragment, a satellite, or a released probe. Whatever it is, it indicates that 3I Atlas may not be alone. Now, beyond the sun's brilliance, it quietly follows its path, a foreign body eternally looping through our skies.